Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tricknology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to fix taskbar and start menu are not showing on your Windows 11 computer. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, what you have to do, you just need to press Alt, Control and Delete button together from your keyboard. So just press Alt, Control and Delete button together and you will get this screen like lock, switch user, sign out and Task Manager. So click on Task Manager. After that, go to the file option over there, click on Run New Task and here to type explorer.exe and after that you just need to press enter from your keyboard and it will show your taskbar and start menu. Okay, so still if you are facing same problem, then again you have to press Alt and Control and Delete button together from your keyboard and click on Task Manager and after that go to File, then click on Run New Task and here to type CMD and make sure that you have checked this option, CMD, make sure that you have checked this option which is create this task with administrative privilege. Okay, after check this option, click on OK. Now what you have to do, you just need to put some command over there. I will give you on my video description. So the command is called DISM in caps space slash online O in caps online space slash cleanup C in caps minus image space slash check C in caps health H in caps. After that press enter. And as you can see, it's showing like operation completed successfully. Now you have to put another command which is DISM online cleanup image and only you have to change scan health over there S in caps and H in caps. After that it will take some time, you have to wait for a few minutes. So after completed successfully, you have to put the last command which is called DISM online cleanup image and then last one you have to change to restore health. Now press enter. After the operation completed successfully, you just need to close this window and now to restart your computer, just pressing Alt, Control and Delete button together. And after that on your right side corner you will get one restart option. So just restart your computer. So after restart, still if you are facing same issue, then I will recommend you to create a new user on your Windows 11 computer. For that you just need to press Alt, Control, Delete together from your keyboard and after that click on Task Manager and now you have to go to your file, Run New Task and here to type over there LUSRMGR then .MSC. Okay, so after that click on OK. Now you will get these local user and groups. So you have to expand, means double click on users and after that right click on your right side panel and click on new user and here to create a new user like test or anything you can put over there and you can put any password over there. Okay, after that you just need to click on create and now as you can see account is created successfully. After that press Alt, Control, Delete together from your keyboard and log in from that new user account and it will fix your problem. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button and if you have any queries or questions then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.